Some news just coming in. We're under fire over Lakhimpur violence case. Minister of State Home Ajay Mishra Teni has lost his cool when questioned over SIT calling and knocking down the killing of farmers pre-planned. In a shocking meltdown, Teni blames the media for son being behind the bars, calls journalists shameless. Listen it. Vasu is getting us more details. He joins us from Lucknow for more on that. Samar, this is beyond shocking. His arrogance on display when it's the SIT report that the press is essentially putting out.
Well, it's a clear-cut case of arrogance from the minister in which he could be seen hurling abuses at a journalist when he asks about the charges about his son Ashish Mishra. As SIT has slapped more charges against his son Ashish Mishra in the entire Lakhimpur case, including attempt to murder and other charges. So he went to one government function, and when he was returning, some journalists encircled him and questioned him about the same. And he not just heard abuses at that one particular journalist, but he even tried to attack. If you'll see the video footage, he could be seen losing control and could be seen going towards the journalist in an attempt to attack him. So it's a complete, and what we are getting from the sources that Ajay Mishra Teni has also been called off to Delhi from Lakhimpur. So if sources are to be believed, then he'll be reaching Lucknow in the evening, and then from Lucknow he'll go to Delhi via flight. So this video has made things more difficult for Ajay Mishra Teni and his son Ashish Mishra, as he had gone to attend a government function, and when journalists asked him question, he just lost his control and heard abuses at them. And even the story doesn't even end here. He even tried to attack one of the journalists with a mobile phone in his hands. And even you can see, if you see the video clip, you can see that some persons were even saying, just close the camera, just shut the camera. So these are the things which are making things even more difficult for Ajay Mishra Teni. Yes.
All right, Samar, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. Samar Srivastava, with that report, let's listen in once again to what Minister Teni had to say when he was confronted with some questions on what the SIT essentially has said in its investigation report. Question by the press on the SIT findings on the killing of farmers, to which Teni in fact blamed the press. He said the press is the reason why his son is behind bars. Remember, we're talking about the Lakhimpur violence case. Under fire over this case, Minister of State for Home Ajay Mishra Teni has lost his cool when questioned over the SIT calling the killing of farmers pre-planned. It's a shocking meltdown from Teni, who still continues to be Minister of State for Home, in spite of repeated demands from the farmers to remove him from his position. That has not happened. Instead, he blamed the media when he was put these questions on the SIT report on the pre-planned violence that took the lives of not just farmers but also of BJP workers as well as a journalist there.